Greetings everybody. In this video I'm going to tell you how to install the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Log into your personal account, scroll the page all the way down, and you can see MetaTrader 5 MT5 platform and click icon download terminal for desktop. After downloading the file, double click on this icon. Read license agreement and press settings. Check where you wish to install the software and how the folder with the program will be named. If you wish, you can check the Open MQL5 community website checkbox. Then press Next, and the installation of the software will be complete in a couple of seconds. When it will be over, you will see a button saying Done over here. Finish. Click. The website page opens since we choose the MQL5 community website to open at the start. We don't need it right now. You can see MetaTrader 5 in the background and we are being offered to connect. What you do next, this is press Next button. Create a demo account or connect to an existing live account. For example, we can fill all fields. First name test. We shall fill our some random name, email, and cell phone number. Then we must choose the server for MetaTrader 5 and account type. After, you can choose currency of your deposit, euro or USD dollars, and how many dollars you want have in your account, and leverage. Let be at 1 to 100. Confirm you agree to the terms and condition and press Next. Your login is your account number, password, and investor's account. Click Done. Finish. If you did everything right, double click. Then you can see windows like this and the MetaTrader 5 is installed. We can see 4 windows with trading pairs. If that is not enough, you can open symbols for press and right buttons in Market Watch window. There is before Forex, crypto, United States, European and UK stocks, futures, ETFs, metals, etc. You read, pick what you like, confirm and trade with the best company Gerchik Co. Happy trading and thank you for your attention.